How's it going, everyone? Adam West back again for SoFly Sneakers, and today we're doing something a little bit different. The shoes I'm going to show you today aren't for sale, they are in fact the shoes that I'm wearing at the minute. Had them for about 7-8 months, something like that. I wear them pretty much every day, so they're getting a little bit beaten up, but yeah. So basically they are the Nike Dunk High PRM collab with N7 from 2017, and this is the shoe. Not really a particularly hyped up shoe, but fairly unique. So we've got the black leather here and the sort of textured leather overlays. Well, not really overlays, but yeah, the university red on the swoosh. We have this like plaid pattern along the top of the midsole, which is the main reason I like these. To be fair, that goes up the back as well. And if we look from the front, try and get a decent view of that. You see we've got the N7 logo and the gold swoosh. And then we've got the gold hardware there on the shoelaces. So yeah, like I said, I've been wearing these near enough every day for about 8 months. They are holding up pretty well. Another reason I like these is because of the gun outsole here, which I tend to go through on shoes really quick on the heel. And these are holding up fairly well. I'm not doing too bad. So I got a pair of Vans Skate High at the same time just to use for work, and destroyed a sweet amount the other day. So these, it's a good quality shoe. I got these really cheap, to be fair. Bought them off eBay, another reseller, dead stock. They're UK 11.5. It was a bit of a risk because I usually wear a 12 and they were a little tight, but they're really comfortable now, nicely worn in. Get the other one out. And I have been wearing these to death, so the toes are all getting pretty pretty gnarly. But I kind of like shoes when they're a bit worn anyway. So yeah, fairly soon I think I'm going to stick on one of the other pairs I've got. I am liking the Jordan 4 Lasers and the Jordan 1 Couture. Probably pick one of them to start wearing, and these guys will get kind of retired and just pulled out every now and again. But yeah, like I said, not really a hype shoe, but pretty rare now, quite hard to find. I did have a scout buy. I could only find one pair on eBay. There might be some on StockX, I don't know. But you can get them at a decent price. I got these below retail. Some guy picked them up in the sale, probably made a small profit, I don't know. But yeah. So that's those. We haven't actually looked at the Jordan 1 Couture yet. I'm sure most people are familiar with them, but I might pull those out next. Running a competition on Change Clothing right now. So if you head over to changeclothing.co.uk, it's not really a competition, more of a giveaway. If you sign up to our newsletter before the 17th of November, we're giving away 3 of our shirts to people who sign up. So yeah, go to changeclothing.co.uk and it's just right there on the homepage how to enter. So until next time, take it easy.